Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Dollar Tree garden haul. I actually recorded this video and I did not like the way it turned out, so I'm recording it again. And some of these items, just to warn you, I've already started to use or they're open. Please bear with me. I'm trying to work on my content and just making sure it's something that I love that I'm putting out. So please just bear with me. The first up is this spray bottle, and this, oh my gosh, I went to two different locations. I thought I was going to see the spray bottle at both locations, and that was not it. This can be used as well in your home, for plants, for your garden, for makeup, for cleaning. You can use it pretty much for anything. I'm using this for my garden. I do plan to purchase another one just to use in my home for whatever reason. But the bottom of this is glass, the top is plastic. I felt that it was a great price for $1.25. I don't know what other colors it came in, but I've been using this, especially with like the seedlings. This has been a game changer for me, and it doesn't take up too much space. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's super cute. Like, guys, look at this. This is so cute. I'm loving it. If you see this at your local Dollar Tree, definitely make sure that you pick it up and let me know what you think about it. I purchased every size of the plant saucers, and these all were for $1.25. 3 come in the large pack. I know when I went to the stores, they like, just to purchase one at some stores is $1, and if you wait until July or September, if you wait to purchase these things, they will not be in stock. I'm just letting you know from experience. Purchase this stuff while it's available. It's $1.25. You really can't beat the price. This is the medium size. You get 4 in a pack with the medium size. I like to use this for my house plants as well as plants that I'm starting indoors. Definitely make sure you pick that up. And I actually purchased 2 packs of the smaller plant saucers, 6 each in a pack, and I've already started using these guys. You probably could also use these as like a humidity dome for seed starting. So just putting, I wish I had something in front of me, but as your seed starting, this is just for example purposes, but I'm wondering if you could use this as a humidity dome. I'm trying to get one out. So you would put this on top just to keep the moisture inside. This may be a really good idea to use this for. This is not for that, but this may be a great idea. So you can use it at the bottom to hold the water, and if you're doing a seed starting, especially if you are doing, I know some people, if they're doing mint or like herbs, they like to you know, they'll do a larger and then they'll split it. So this may be a good option for the top and bottom. These are cups. It's already open. They're technically not gardening supplies, but I like to use the cups for the seedlings. And 16 came in a pack. I'm not sure if math wise, I know Aldi's, they sell them. You can get the red cups pretty much anywhere, but I know math wise, I'm not sure if it was a great deal. I had to do the math and I will let you guys know in another video, or if you know, like math wise, if it's a better deal to get them at, I know I don't need like 1,000, so that's why I didn't get it at like a Costco's, BJ's, or Sam's Club. But these are really good for gardening and I've had great success with using them. So if you have used them, if it's more cost effective to get them like at an Aldi's, let me know. But gardening supplies. I purchased these gloves. I usually get these every single year because they're just cute and they're affordable. But what I did notice, the quality of these this year are so much better. I think in the past they've had like the plastic in the front, or at least the ones that I've purchased, it just seems like the quality is so much better with these. I will be picking up another pack. I really just run through them. But I do know Costco, they usually sell a pack of, like, I don't know if they're like utility or gardening gloves. They do have some that they sell and they are of great quality. They have the pack, they have the plastic in the bag with the ones at Costco, and when they are on sale, I believe it's like a little less than $1.25. So you may want to check them out to purchase those. This is not necessarily a gardening tool, but this is just a utility knife. It also comes with a refill, and this is great, especially to cut the holes inside of the cups if you have to open something. It's just been such a game changer for me. Last but not least, we have the seeds. I do need to go back for more seeds, but I have corn. I believe I have 3 to 4 packs of corn. I had a very successful harvest last year with corn. I may start them indoors just because a lot of our furry friends were having a field day with them, which I get it, it's a part of it. But I may start these indoors in like the biodegradable cups, because I know like the roots don't like to be disturbed. But with the corn, I actually did the no-till method, and you just put some wood. You just put like a box on top, and then you add the soil, and then you add the seeds, and then it works. It was great last year. This is winter squash. I'm picking it up now because I know with the Dollar Tree, depending on the location, it's really hit or miss with what items still will be in stock during the summer months. This is just some oregano. I do plan to put this in a container. We shall see. I never grew oregano before. I'm really excited about this because I actually use it a lot. I would love an abundant harvest and actually to dry some of this out to have on hand. But pick this up. Some more corn. With the corn also, I do hope to have an abundance of it and freeze it for just to be able to enjoy throughout the year. The corn I grew last year, I wish I wrote down the name. It could have been the one from the Dollar Tree. It was delicious, especially fresh. And then you can put it in the microwave and it like steams it. Oh my gosh, guys. Mwah, chef's kiss. I have to be honest, I've never successfully grew cantaloupe. I gotta figure it out. I know it says like cantaloupe prefers like, I think, sandy soil. I'm giving it a try again this year. And I was able to get 4 for $1. I only got 1 pack though. Chives, I believe it's a pest deterrent. I think I said the word. The chives to keep the pest away. I'm hoping to put this in my tomato bed because I believe like tomatoes, basil, a sweet asylum. I'm pronouncing the word wrong, but maybe I'll put it across. Those like all, and then marigolds, they're all great companion plants. I want to put those in together. I've never grew a successful pumpkin. I think the animals just be digging them up. I did like the mini pumpkins. I haven't did like a jack-o'-lantern. I did the mini pumpkins. I know last year I was growing something in an animal before it. I think it was a pumpkin. It was really cute. But I think an animal started to like chew it up once it got big enough. I have to figure out something for this growing season. But I have grown like the little miniature ones and they were so cute. I cannot wait for growing season this year. I am going to grow pumpkins. I'm going to have a successful harvest with them. I really want to have a pumpkin patch like just growing in my yard. And I hear about the people who they have, what do you call it, involuntary, like they have the compost and then it just grows and it's magic. I need that. I'm hoping for that. Guys, I will let you know if it happens this year, even though we'll see. Maybe I'll throw a couple in the compost. often just to see if something happens. But this is another pack of corn. Sugar snap peas, absolutely love them. I'm hoping for, I am going to have an abundant harvest this year. They are usually these, I need to plant a lot because usually I'm like, as soon as they are ready, I'm snacking on them. They don't even make it into the house. I usually don't even cook these. I snack on them. They're so good, but I'm gonna have an abundant harvest this year. And these are the watermelon sugar babies. I have successfully grown these. I'm excited. I love fruits and vegetables, so that's why you see so much stuff, but excited to get this started. It's just, there's nothing like growing your own fresh fruits and vegetables. So excited about the sugar baby. Summer squash. I had a summer squash, like one summer squash growing last year, and for whatever reason, one of our furry friends, I think, had a field day with it. But I do love squash. I'm excited about growing it this year, and we'll see. Guys, thanks so much for checking out my channel. I would love to know what you are growing this season, this gardening season. If you have something that you are growing new that you are looking forward to harvesting, please let me know what that fruit or vegetable is. I am so excited about this gardening season, and I know it's going to be abundant and amazing, and I know it's going to be abundant and amazing for you as well. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I will chat with you in the next one.